How to remove TikTok strike. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I will guide you how you can remove a TikTok strike. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First option is to submit an appeal immediately. When you get a strike or content removed, TikTok will send notifications in your inbox in your account. For that, you have to head over to your system notifications. On your profile, go to your inbox. And under your inbox, you will find a notifications from TikTok. So here is a system notifications. Tap on system notifications. Now under this section, you will find all of your details under the account updates. So at the top, there is an option as account updates. Go to that. Now under account option, you have to find a notice or notifications from TikTok where you will have some other further details regarding your strike. Tap on see details on the notice and then there you will find an option to submit an appeal. Fill in the form and why you believe that it's a mistake. Once you submit an appeal, TikTok will typically respond within 24 to 72 hours. So here, do not delete your video before appeal. Deleting may prevent TikTok from reviewing, which will void your appeal. So make sure that you do not delete the video. And once you submit your appeal, TikTok will respond you back. And then the second option is to wait it out. TikTok strike will expire automatically after 90 days. And even if the strike will still shows in your violation history, it will not count toward a ban after that period. So you have to wait it out. And if that still does not solve your problem, or if TikTok refuses to remove the strike, then you can start a freeze new account. And once you start your freeze new account, now you have to be very careful that you do not violate any other further TikTok rules. If not, you may face the same issue again. So these are some of the ways that will help you remove TikTok strike. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.